Now practical question number 68. STW and X are partners sharing profit in the ratio 4:3:2:1. X is given a guarantee that his share of profit is any given year would be 80,000. Deficiency, if any, would be borne by other partners equally. The profit for the year ended 31st March 2015 amounted to rupees 5,60,000. Past necessary entries in the book of the firm. During the year, profit has 6,50,000. 4 partners हैं, प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो 4:3:2:1. गारंटी दी गई है एक्स को 80,000. अगर कोई डिफिशेंसी अराइज होगा तो बॉर्न बाय द रिमेनिंग पार्टनर्स इन इक्वल रेशियो. नाउ जनरल एंट्री पास. फर्स्ट, profit transfer to PL appropriation. Now profit and loss account debit to PL appropriation account 6,50,000. 6,50,000. Next, profit distributed among partners. PL appropriation account debit to S capital, to T's capital, to W capital, to X capital. 4 partners, profit sharing ratio 6,50,000 distributed in 4:3:2:1. 2,60,000 X share, 1,95,000 T share, 1,30,000 W, and 65,000 X. X share of profit guaranteed rupees 80,000. Now deficiency amount rupees 15,000 provided by remaining partners in equal ratio. Now S capital account debit T's capital account debit W capital account debit to X capital. X provided 15,000, remaining partners in equal proportion 5,000 each provided by partners. Now question complete. Next question. A, B, C were partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2:1. Their capital on 1st April 2017 were 5 lakh, B 3 lakh and C 2 lakh. A had personally guaranteed that in any year C's share of profit after allowing interest on capital to all partners 8% per annum and charging interest on drawing 10% per annum will not be less than 1 lakh. The profit for the year ended 31st March 2018 before allowing or charging any interest amounted to rupees 4 lakh 32,000. A. Draw 5,000 at the end of every month. B. Withdraw 15,000 at the end of each quarter. C. Withdraw 60,000 during the year. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year 17-18. Now, PL appropriation account. By PL, profit during the year 4,32,000. Debit side, according to partnership, interest on capital provided at the rate of 8% per annum. Now A, B and C. A capital 5 lakh 8%, 40,000. 3 lakh B's capital 8%, 24,000. 2 lakh at the rate of 8%, 16,000. Now total value 40, 24 and 16,000, 80,000. And interest on drawing charge at the rate of 10% per annum. Now as a profit, credit side, interest on drawing. A, B and C. A withdraw rupees 55,000 at the end of every month. Now total withdrawal, A 60,000 at the rate of 10% per annum for end of every month, 5.5 month. $2,750. B withdraw 15,000 at the end of each quarter. Total withdraw 60,000 at the rate of 10% end of each quarter. Now 4.5 month. $2,250. And C withdraw 60,000 during the year, 60,000 at the rate of 10% for 6 months. Date of withdrawal not given, assuming that mid of the year. Now 3,000, 2,750, 2,250 and 3,000. Total outer column 8,000. Interest on capital and interest on drawing are recorded in PL appropriation. Now find out the visual profit which are distributed among partners. Now two partners capital account, A, B and C. Now A capital for the visual profit 4,32,000. Credit side value rupees total 4,40,000. 4,40,000. 80,000. 3,60,000 distributed in partners. Profit sharing ratio 3:2:1. 3,60,000 distributed among partners. 3,60,000 in 3:2:1 ratio. A share 180, B share 1,20,000 and C share 60,000. C received profit rupees 60,000 plus 40,000 profit provided by A, because in a question given that A had personally guaranteed that in any year C share of profit after allowing interest on capital to all partners and charging interest on drawing 10% per annum will not be less than 1 lakh. Now C share of profit rupees 60,000 and 40,000 provided by A. Now question complete. ABC were in partnership, sharing profit in the ratio of 1:2:3. Their fixed capital on 1st April 2018 were 3 lakh, B rupees 4,50,000 and C 10 lakh. Their partnership deed provide for the following. A provides his personal office to the firm for business use, charging yearly rent of rupees 1,50,000. तो ए के प्रीमाइसेस को यूज कर रहे हैं बिजनेस में. रेंट जो है वो ईयरली चार्ज हो रहा है 1,50,000. तो रेंट यहाँ पे एज ए ट्रीटेड एज चार्ज अगेंस्ट प्रॉफिट विच आर रिकॉर्डेड इन प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. एंड नेक्स्ट सेकेंड, interest on capital at the rate of 8% per annum and interest on drawing at the rate of 10% per annum. A was allowed salary rupees 10,000 per month. B was allowed a commission 10% on net profit as shown by profit and loss account after charging such commission. C was guaranteed a profit rupees 3 lakh after making all the adjustment. The net profit of the firm year ended 31st March 2019 amount 10,30,000 before making above adjustment. You are informed that A drawing rupees 5,000 at the beginning of each month. B has withdraw 5,000 at the end of each month. C was withdraw 24,000 at the beginning of each quarter. Now prepare PL appropriation and partners current account. Now prepare PL appropriation account. By PL profit amount rupees during the year 10,30,000 inner column less charged against profit rent provided to partners. A rent amount 1,50,000. Now after deducting 8,80,000, according to partnership deed, interest on capital provided to partners. Now recorded debit side, interest on capital at the rate of 8% per annum. A, B and C. A capital rupees 3 lakh at the rate of 8%, 24,000. B 4,50,000 at the rate of 8%, 36,000. And C 10 lakh capital 8%, 80,000. Total outer column 1,40,000. And next, after interest on capital, credit side by interest on drawing A, B and C. Now A drawing during the year amount 5,000 A drawing rupees 5,000 every month. Total withdrawal 60,000 at the rate of 10% for beginning of each month according to average month. Now 6.5 month average basis. B withdrawal 5,000 every month. Total withdrawal 60,000 at the rate of 10% end of each month. Now average basis 5.5 month. And C as a partner withdraw 24,000 rupees per quarter. Total withdrawal 96,000 at the rate of 10% for quarterly withdraw. Now average basis beginning of each quarter 7.5 month. Now 60,000 10%, 3,250. B 60,000 10% average basis 5.5 month 2,750. And C 96,000 10% 7.5 month average basis 6,000. Total outer column 12,000. Next, A allows salary 10,000 per month. 2 is salaries amount total during the year 1,20,000. B was allowed 10% commission. 2 B's commission 10% on net profit, so by profit and loss account after charging such commission, now 8,80,000 at the rate of 10% after charging 110. Now 80,000 B's commission. And C share of profit guaranteed rupees 3 lakh. Now find out divisible profit. Total credit side 8,92,000. 8,80,000 plus 12,000 minus 1,40,000 minus 1,20,000 minus 80,000 5,52,000 divisible profit distributed among partners in partners current account because capital are fixed. A, B and C. Profit sharing ratio 1:2:3. Now 92,000 1,82,4,000 and C share 2,76,000. Now C share guaranteed rupees 3 lakh plus 24,000 provided by A and B in the ratio 1:2. In this question C share of profit guaranteed rupees 3 lakh. तो कौन पार्टनर्स गारंटी दे रहे हैं ये कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है. तो रिमेनिंग पार्टनर्स ए एंड बी है जो कि अपने प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो 1:2 में पूरा करेंगे. नाउ minus 8,000 minus 16,000. And next prepare partners current account. Three partners A, B and C. Current account balance not given. Now appropriation of profit recorded in partner's capital by interest on capital 24,000, 36,000 and 80,000. By salaries provided to A 1,20,000. By commission interest on capital added in partner's capital account, salary increase in partner's capital, commission provided to B amount 80,000. Divisible profit distributed among partners by PL appropriation A 92,000, B 1,84,000 and 2,76,000. Interest on drawing debit side 2, interest on drawing 3,250, 2,750 and 6,000. Now 2 drawing during the year, A 60,000, B 60,000 and C 96,000. And rent provided to A recorded in current account by rent A 1,50,000 and guaranteed profit adjusted in ABC. Now A's current account by B's current account. Now C received from A rupees 8,000 and C rupees 24,000. Now debit side to C's current account, A reduced by 8,000, B reduced by 16,000. Now find out balancing figure. C's credit side amount rupees 80,000 plus 2,76,000 plus 8,000 plus 24,000, total 3,88,000. Sorry, B provided 16,000. Now 3,80,000. 3,80,000 minus 6,000 minus drawing amount 96,000, 2,78,000. B credit side excess 36,000 plus 80,000 plus 1,84,000, total 3 lakh minus 2,750 minus 60,000 minus 16,000, 2,21,250 rupees. A credit side value 24,000 plus 1,20,000, 92,000, 1,50,000, 3,80,000 6,000. 3,86,000 minus 3,250 minus 60,000 minus 8,000. 3,14,750 to balance carried down. Now question complete.